Dustin, where are you at? I can't figure this thing out, bro. Sorry about that, guys. Elevators are tricky, and you know what? I hate them. I appreciate the people who fix them, but I hate them, dude. I never go in them, ever. I don't want to get locked in that little box and just freaking sitting there waiting for Dustin to come and rescue me. Today, guys, we are back in Akumal, and we're in a beautiful community called the Gran Bahia Principe. We rented a condo in a hotel called Ka'anha, and we'll be here for 12 nights, and then my parents are leaving back to Canada, and we'll be heading to the next state over called the Yucatan. So we rented a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. It was really nice. I'll put the price up on the screen, and there'll be a link in the description in case you want to rent this condo at Ka'anha. It is not the most budget-friendly condo, but with all the amenities, it was pretty awesome, especially if you're just here for a couple weeks. So our condo came with this cool little soaking pool on the deck, and on a hot day it became like sitting in urine, and frankly I liked it. Another awesome feature of this accommodation was the rooftop. They had these free to use charcoal grills. There's a pool up there, a bunch of loungers and tables and stuff so you can watch the sunrise. It was really gorgeous. Me and Venus would go up there every morning and just listen to all the birds come out of the jungle. And here you can tell how relaxed I was by the expression on my face. So at Gran Bahia, they have these electric scooters. They're called the Bolt. And we thought it was pretty cool at first, but I highly recommend not using them. Me and Venus each had our own scooter, and it cost us $40 each. And that was for a half-hour ride, so downright ludicrous. And to top it off, I couldn't get no footage because it was sketchy to hold it with one hand and film at the same time. So in the Mexican Riviera, transportation is quite expensive. And at Gran Bahia, you have a free shuttle that takes you down to the beach, restaurants, and other resorts. And as you can tell by the look on my face, I was pretty excited. I had met so many friends from various parts of the world, and I had to wave at them as we went by. So within about 15 minutes, the shuttle takes you to the beach from Ka'anha. After enjoying the beach for a while, you can stop at K Beach Club. It's a beautiful location overlooking the Caribbean Sea. Here you can just eat if you want, or you can rent palapas for the day right on the beach. another option when staying at Bahia Principe is buying a day pass to one of the various resorts. These are all-inclusive resorts, so when you buy your day pass, you do have all-inclusive access. We chose to do Coba, and that was the cheapest option at $50 per day. So as with most all-inclusive properties, Coba offers a bunch of activities like this water Pilates that they're doing. After we watched people do exercise for a while, we pulled up to the snack bar, a well-deserved treat. It can be so exhausting watching people do Pilates. Upon examining the snack bar, I ran into some ice cream. Thought, don't mind if I do. When we came out of the snack bar, we saw this cute little guy here. And I accidentally dropped some ice cream, what do you know? Little did we know the whole squad was about to roll up. After our little quaddie encounter, we came back out and there was a foam party going on. We observed for a bit, but then it looked like a lot of fun, so we're like, you know what, let's do this. Well, that was a blast, but it was time to get some lunch at the Kukulkan buffet. And I'm telling you, they had damn near everything. It was delicious. So after lunch, we went back to the pool for some more fun, and some of the staff were rounding people up for some water polo, and my mom and Venus decided to participate. Me and Pops decided to sit this one out. We wanted to give them a chance to win, and someone needed to watch the cocktails. Little side note, Mom did score 3 goals. That day was truly a blast. We had so much fun, too many cocktails, too much food. My head hurt after, but it was worth it. And 2 days later, we did it again. This time we went to Bahia Principe Luxury Akumal, and this one was beachfront, so that was pretty awesome. Well, another fantastic day, guys, and I'm gonna leave you with this little video of me just chumming the grass for iguanas. I was tossing them some cantaloupe, and they were just really digging in, actually.